In this video, I show you how to create and how to achieve the perfect herringbone braid. Some call it a herringbone braid, others call it a fishtail braid. Either way, I will show you how to master the technique. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, so you are just going to have an elastic ready and put your hair all to one side. I am putting my ponytail to the left side and wrapping the elastic around three times. Now I am just going to take a little fluffy. I'm just going to take a tiny section, a tiny strand of hair, put it that way, and wrap that around the elastic. This is just a decorative element. It's more of a decorative feature rather than just having the elastic exposed. And for this, there's no need to pin this with a bobby pin for this tutorial. So to start, section your hair in two sections, and you are going to cross over individual strands of hair. So we started with the right side, so we take sections from the back. We take the right piece, we go over, and there's just another video there to show you with larger pieces what it actually looks like. But okay, you take now, okay, just keep taking sections from the back of the hair, and you are going to bring them over the larger two strands. So you're doing one side at a time, right side, left side, right side, left side. And like I said, the video in the top right actually uses larger pieces of hair. I recorded two separate videos for you so that you can actually see what it looks like, because the larger video, I'm using smaller pieces, and as you can see, the braid looks more intricate that way in comparison to when you actually use larger pieces. So now we're just going to speed this up because it's pretty easy to get the technique and to get the hang of it. You're just taking left side over, right side over, left side over, right side over. And once again, you are pulling the hair from the back of the braid. Well, not necessarily pulling the hair, but you are using the hair from the back side of the braid. Or no, I should say from the back side of your two sections, because remember in the beginning we divided the hair into two individual sections. So you're just going over and over and over. You're crossing one strand over to one side, then you're crossing the other strand over to the other side. It's just right, left, right, left, right, left. That's it. Pulling from the back, going to the right. Pulling from the back, going to the left. Just like that. It is very straightforward once you get the hang of this. And for this tutorial, because this is the very first herringbone or fishtail braid tutorial, I said, okay, let me show you on wavy hair. So hair that's kind of semi-straight, because if I were to show you on curly hair, you might not really understand the technique, because sometimes the curls can interfere with the technique when I'm just initially showing you. But it's time for a Snapchat break in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was quite an amazing Snapchat break. Don't forget to follow me on Snap at God Bless Destiny. So we have our herringbone braid finished. Now, if you like, you can enlarge your braid just by separating the hair, just by gently, this is the time to pull. This just by gently pulling the hair. You will notice that real hair sometimes does not separate as much as synthetic hair will. So sometimes folks who are using extensions, if they're separating their hair, you'll notice that it's looser. The hair is looser at times, and you can see how I'm pulling, and it gradually becomes larger, but it may not instantly become super large, because this is real hair. This is authentic, so you can't expect real hair to move like fake hair. But this is gorgeous. It's very simple. It's cute. It's easy. It's amazing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. See you next time.